Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the pTron HBE6 metal base earphones. Let's take a peek at the extra info at the back. The earphone has a driver size of 10mm, so the base is going to be solid. It also has a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, that's pretty standard. The earphone cables are a meter long, that's a good thing. Now it's time to open this box. Inside there's a plastic tray, let's pull it out gently. There's really not much here. There's a feedback card. This one tells you to visit the pTron website and leave a review. And finally, we have the earphones themselves. As mentioned, these are elliptical metal alloy earphones designed for proper fit and also have noise cancellation technology. The cable, as mentioned earlier, is quite long and has inline multifunction buttons and the microphone. On the other end of the cable, we have a chrome-plated 3.5mm audio jack. And that's all you'll find in this box. Thank you for watching.